Different to the past, Skoda is not presenting a super concept car here at the IAA, but they brought the new Skoda Superb, the new Skoda Scala and the new Skoda Kamiq here to the show. On top of this you find things like the new Monte Carlo editions. This is the new Skoda Superb IV. This is the very first plug-in hybrid of the brand Skoda. That car features a 1.4-litre petrol engine, and that is combined with an 85 kilowatt electric engine. And that gives the car a system output of 160 kilowatts or 218 horsepower. The good thing with that car is it's not only fun to drive and quite quick, it also runs fully electric more than 50 kilometers. This is the new Skoda Citigo IV, the first fully electric Skoda ever. That car features a 36.8 kilowatt hour battery and a 61 kilowatt electric engine on board. And that package is enough for a maximum range of 260 kilometers. But I think the most important thing with that car is the price here in Germany is about 20,000 euros. This is it, the new Skoda Kamiq, so the new small SUV of the brand Skoda. And in our case, it's the Kamiq as the Monte Carlo version, which you can easily see here with all these black parts here in contrast to the bright red. One thing I really do like a lot with the Kamiq is these new daytime running lights here, because they automatically provide you with a dynamic indicator. But this is not the only Monte Carlo edition Skoda presents here at the show. You'll also find the new Skoda Scala as a Monte Carlo, so the more sporty version of the Scala. This vintage Skoda Octavia got nothing in common with the modern Skodas you do find here at the IAA, because Skoda nowadays is not only simply clever, it's also close to be fully electric.